Here we have a shed lock by Yardlock. Today we're going to open up the packaging and take a look at all the components. Here we have the lock, two shims, the spring-loaded latch with the cable, the striker plate, and a bag of self-tapping screws. Now let's take a look at the lock. If we open it up, you'll find a card inside. This is where you can write your personal code, write it here, and store it in a safe place. You don't want to lose that. Now, looking at the lock itself, you'll notice that there is a rubber backing. This rubber backing is not for packaging or shipping. It needs to be left on the lock and installed with the lock itself. It provides the waterproof aspect of the lock. Along with the slider cover at the front, it protects the dials. This, when it's closed, and with the rubber backing, keeps your whole box waterproof at all times. Also handy instructions. Here we have the striker plate, the spring-loaded latch, and once installed correctly, this strikes onto the striker plate and keeps your doors locked. You will notice that the latch itself is spring-loaded. And don't forget to follow all the instructions.